In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Bilibili. To get started, open the Bilibili website in your preferred web browser. This can be done on most desktop browsers, and the overall process is usually very similar from one browser to another. Once the site loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the main Bilibili page and that everything has finished loading properly before moving on. Next, sign in to your account if necessary. In some cases, language or display preferences are tied to your account settings, so logging in first helps make sure any changes you make can be saved correctly. If you're already signed in, you can go straight to the next part. After that, look for your profile picture or the settings option. This is typically found somewhere near the top area of the website. Clicking your profile image often opens a menu with account-related options, while in some layouts you may see a direct settings button instead. The goal here is simply to get into the area where Bilibili stores account or site preferences. Once you're in the settings area, look for the language option. Depending on the version of the site you're using, it may be labeled as language, display language, or site language. If the settings page has several sections, take your time and scan through them carefully. Language preferences are often placed under general, display, or account settings. When you find the language setting, select your preferred language from the available list. Choose the one you want the site to display going forward. Keep in mind that some platforms only offer a limited number of interface languages, so the list may vary depending on your region or the version of Bilibili you're accessing. After selecting the language, save the changes if required. Some websites apply the update immediately, while others need you to click a save or apply button before the new setting takes effect. Be sure not to close the page too quickly, just in case the site needs a moment to process the update. Finally, refresh the page if the language does not change automatically. A simple reload is often enough to update the interface and show the new language across menus and navigation items. If you still don't see the change right away, waiting a few seconds and refreshing once more can sometimes help. And that's how to change the language in Bilibili. Once the update is applied, the site should be easier to navigate in the language you prefer.